Question 2, calculate the kinetic energy of a rhinoceros of mass 1200 kilograms charging at a speed of 15 meters per second. So we're working out the kinetic energy. The equation is half times mass times velocity squared. So that's a half times the mass of the rhinoceros is 1200 multiplied by the velocity, which is 15 squared. Careful just to square the 15, but we do make sure we square it. Often in exams, people forget to do squaring. It's one of the things that's easy to miss. So the answer should be 135,000. Again, we're looking at this and thinking hopefully two significant figures. So we're going to write it as 140,000 joules, or we could have gone for 140 kilojoules, or 1.4 times 10 to the 5 joules. Any of those would be fine. B, the mass of a cricket ball that travels at 23 meters per second when traveling with a kinetic energy of 42 joules. So again, we're using the same equation. We remember the standard way of remembering it first, then we rearrange it. So m should be equal to, we need to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the half, and then we need to divide both sides by v squared. So that's 2 times 42 divided by 23 squared. Which gives us 158.7 if we're looking at it here, but we're going to round it to 2 again, so 160 grams or 0.16 kilograms. C, so this one a little bit harder when we calculate speed. So again, we're going to start from this form of the equation. So when we rearrange this, we'll put in an extra step. If we rearrange for v squared first, we get that's 2 times the kinetic energy over the mass, and then v is the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy over the mass. So here that's the square root of 2 times. Then we've got the energy to deal with over here. The milli prefix means times 10 to the minus 3. So 2 lots of 3.6 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by the mass, which was 0.00010. So that's a tenth of a gram. Then we put that into our calculator. Again, it's easy in exams to forget to do the square root. It happens quite often, so we won't make that mistake. 2 times 3.6 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by 0.0001 gives us a speed of 8.4 meters per second. Sorry, 8.5 when we round it to two significant figures, 8.5 meters per second.